That's the biggest thing, the biggest expense in farming that nobody ever tells you about and that is very difficult to really anticipate. And that is the time that it costs to fix and put everything back just to get to baseline. Not to make any progress, but the work that you have to put in just to get back up to baseline because somebody always wants to walk through a fence, or weeds are growing over the fence, or a stick falls off onto the fence, or kids put something back and forget to turn the fence back on or close the gate. It's just, there's always these little things. And, you know, it's difficult to account for all of that. And I want to say right up front that I do not have any sort of fiduciary relationship with this company, but this is Trojan, and they make the gravity fed nipple drinker system that I use in my waterers. And I've learned the hard way, having used the cheap versions of these that you can get on Amazon, where you can get 10 of these nipples for about as many dollars, and they are shipped from a variety of different companies with names that none of us can pronounce, assuming that nobody here speaks Mandarin. And they look really good, and you figure out how to plug them in and get them working, and then they snap and they break and they leak, and they either they drip but they won't actually flow. And so these guys here, and like I said, I don't get anything from people purchasing these or being involved. Like, this company doesn't even, if I can get this to focus properly, maybe, yes. Okay, there we go. Yeah, Trojan does not know anything about me. They don't know I exist. If any of you want to be so kind as to tell them that they should be paying me and sponsoring me, I would be all for that. I was actually able to tag one of their products in one of my shorts, and maybe I'll do that again here in this video. But these are like 23 bucks, and I had to get them shipped from, I believe, Iowa is where they came from. But it was, you can never have too many of these things in my experience. I love them, and I always am getting more. They are so easy to install. That's the biggest thing, that I didn't really even need tools, because the bulkhead, well, you know what? Let me just take this out of the package. This will be a proper unboxing. See, I always have fun things to get into here on the channel, because it's not like I need to preserve the packaging. All right, so try to get the camera to focus a little bit so that you can see what we're doing here. Basically, this is the bulkhead, and so we're going to have to, I'll add in close-ups of this when I cut this down later into a shorter video. But this is the bulkhead, and you can see it's got teeth on the back of it, as well as a rubber washer on that side. And then on the inside of the barrel, this has teeth. This goes around, so it goes through the barrel, and then you screw this on. And so once you hand tighten this, the back nut onto the bulkhead, you can do everything else from outside the barrel, so you don't have to be reaching down in. And then once you put a little bit of the plumber's tape around the threading on the actual nipple itself, you put that in there, and you can screw that in, and without having to reach in and hold the nut on the other side of the barrel, because the teeth kind of digs in. Once you get it hand tight on the back side of the barrel, you hand tighten it, and then from there you can just screw everything else. And then the little rubber washer on the back side of the, well, you can't see any of that from here, but the little rubber washer on the back side of the bulkhead is Lilo. No, nope. The rubber washer on the back side of the bulkhead does the rest and seals everything, and it's good to go. So it was like literally a 3-minute fix. However, I am going to be getting I've seen newer versions of the cheap Chinese versions of these nipple drinkers, and I'm curious to see if they've improved what they're doing. And the last ones that I bought was a couple of years ago, and that's what made me go to the Trojans, because these are 23 bucks for the nipple drinker and the bulkhead and the nut. The whole kit is 23 bucks for the gravity flow, and it matters that you get the gravity flow, because some of them are meant for pressurized systems, and then when you just put them on a gravity flow setup, they don't want to work, and the pigs can't get enough water through them. that was one of the issues that I had with the cheaper ones that I bought off of Amazon previously. They didn't specify whether they were for pressurized or gravity flow, and you kind of had to hope for the best. These are gravity flow, and they'll get a real nice stream, super, super easy to install, and no goofing around. And the pigs actually snapped the nipple off, and that's why we wound up in the situation. That's the first time that's happened to me, but happy to have had the opportunity to make that exchange, get that taken care of, and now that's a load off of my plate. But I am going to try some of the newer, cheaper versions, because I am curious to see if some of the ones they have on Amazon, if they're going to improve those at all. And I bought a group that's going to be getting here probably in the next week, that there's 4 of them, and they're complete kits. So it's the whole 9-yard, where you have the bulkhead and the nut and the nipple, and they have all of those. Actually, I think they come with a drill bit as well, and there's 4 of them for $20. So I figured I owe it to myself at least to see if that's something that could work, because I'm not into spending money if I don't have to. But you can feel like with this stuff, it is very heavy and solidly made. And this stuff does well in the winter times as well. They're made in Dodge City, Kansas, or at least that's where their offices are. But yeah, that was kind of the excitement, the big win that I had this week. And now it's just a matter of getting the pigs organized and getting them sorted out, so that everybody is kind of able and willing and ready to use things properly. And we'll go from there, because if pigs don't have fresh water, then nobody's going to be happy, and they get real rowdy and rambunctious. And the barrel with the nipple drinkers, real easy to do. So that's one way that I found to make that setup and that system work very easily. Subscribe to our channel, and let's make America farmers again. Watch the next hog maxing video segment right over here. And if you want to watch the full live stream, that will be linked down below in the description. We'll see you guys in the next video.